Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your Windows 11 look absolutely epic with the brand new Revisor Edition 2026 theme. This setup uses powerful tools like Windhawk with ResourceRedirect, SecureUxTheme and ExplorerBlurMica to completely transform your desktop. You will get a clean, stylish and modern look that feels fresh and unique. Don't worry if you are new, I will keep everything simple and easy to follow. By the end of this video, your PC look amazing. So let's get started and turn your Windows 11 into something truly awesome. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this epic Windows 11 Revenger Edition 2026 customization. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you think about this setup or what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.